What's up, everybody? Power Washing Pro GA. Just wanted to touch on a subject or a topic that people keep asking me, or for information about pricing. How I go about pricing jobs. Well, we've been doing this a little over 20 years. Been around it for 25, 30 years. And this is how we price our jobs when we go out day to day. The short answer, it depends. It depends on the structure. It depends on the elevation. It depends on how soiled it is. It depends on if it's going to require all soft wash. Are we going to have to do a lot of wand action, meaning pressure washing with the wand in our hand? It varies. But as a standard, our rate is a minimum of $150 an hour up to $300 an hour. It just all depends on what it is that we're cleaning, where we're cleaning, how far we had to go to clean it, and how long it's going to take to clean it. It varies. So my advice, rule of thumb, is nothing is less than 10%. I'm sorry, not 10%, but 10 cents a square foot is the bare minimum. You'll do enough at some point where you want to get paid for your time and your knowledge, not necessarily square footage or whatever. And it works. It works for us. It may take you some time to get there, but I would say the rule of thumb is you shouldn't be doing any vertical structures for anything less than 10 cents a square foot on the low end, and maybe even up to 25, 32 cents a square foot. But again, it depends on where you are geographically, what's the market in that area, just depends. So, just make sure you are paying for your time, you're paying for your chemicals, you're paying for your fuel, you're paying for the wear and tear on your truck, tires, oil, all those things matter. You're paying for your equipment and the depreciation of it as you go in and out your day. But yeah, it's got to be worth it when you go out. So I hope this helps anybody or somebody who needed some insight on pricing. But it works for us. It has changed again over the years, but we hope this helps you out. And wash on. Peace.